friends, welcome back to another video. And if you guys are new here, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And let's get right on into the video. Today, I'm opening the Mini Brands Disney Store Edition Series 2. I opened up the Series 1 and they were super cute, and I cannot wait to see what is in Series 2. So let's get right on into opening. Ooh, that was a perfect tear. They usually never tear that perfectly. So that's really surprising. And let's open the orange. I call it orange because it looks like an orange. Let's go with a big one first. 3, 2, 1. We got a Mickey Mouse barbecue grill. That's cute. Next, we got, oh my goodness, we got Mickey and Minnie. We got this Minnie Mouse bakery thing. So we got a Mickey barbecue and a Minnie Mouse kitchen. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, we got Lightning McQueen car. I've never watched the Cars movie. I only know who Lightning McQueen is because everyone literally talks about Lightning McQueen. Ooh. I got BB-8 from Star Wars. Okay. And our checklist. And our last one. Oh, dang. No way. We got the Woody sippy cup. What? We got a Woody sippy cup. That's so cute. That's adorable. Anyway, on to the next one. Oh my goodness, that was so cute. Another perfect pair. I love these, they're so cute. My goodness, I still have to get more of these. Okay, open up the orange. We're gonna keep it like this time and go for this one. All right. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. It's a shelf. A little disappointed, but okay. Next, we're gonna go for this one. It's a smaller one. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, guys. No. It's a duplicate of a Woody sippy cup. Alright, this one next, I guess. Stop! We got a duplicate of the Minnie Mouse kitchen. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got something new, I guess, this time. This Star Wars blaster thingy. Okay. The last thing we got. We got the claw machine from the Pizza Planet claw machine from Toy Story. That's so cute. Huh. That's actually adorable. Okay, well, that's everything I got. I'm gonna go build a shelf real quick. I was going to build a shelf, but I'm missing some of the pieces, so I can't do that. But yeah, anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.